Hi Sarah, what do you want to do here?
I like swings. What about you?
Slides are fun. Shall we try both?
Yes, let's have fun together.
Great. Let's start with swings.
Okay, then slides after.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Yay! I'm excited.
Hi Emma, want to watch a movie?
Sure. What movie do you like?
I like action movies. What about you?
I like comedy movies more.
Let's watch a comedy then. Agree?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Popcorn and movie time tonight?
Yes, please. Let's do it.
Hi Lily, what's your hobby?
I like drawing. What about you?
I enjoy playing soccer.
Soccer is exciting. Do you play often?
Yes, every weekend with friends.
Can I watch you play someday?
Of course. You're welcome anytime. Hi Anna, let's have lunch.
Sounds good. What cuisine do you prefer?
I like Italian food. How about you?
I'm craving Mexican today.
Let's go for Mexican then. Agreed?
Yes, I'm in the mood for tacos.
Great choice. Let's head there now.
Sure, I'm hungry already.
Good morning, Lisa. Any plans for the weekend?
Good morning, Mr. Lee. I plan to visit a museum.
That sounds educational. I might go hiking.
Hiking sounds adventurous. Enjoy.
Thank you, Lisa. Have a great time at the museum.
You're welcome. See you on Monday, Mr. Lee.
See you then, Lisa. Take care.
Hi, Max. Have you packed for the camping trip yet?
Hey Sophia. Not yet, I'm gathering essentials tonight.
Did you remember the tent and sleeping bags?
Yes, they're on my checklist. What about food?
I'll bring snacks and ingredients for s'mores.
Sounds delicious. Should we bring extra blankets too?
Good idea, it might get chilly at night.
I'll pack some. Excited for stargazing?
Absolutely. It'll be a memorable trip.
Hello Jennifer, any thoughts on our next vacation spot?
Hi, Mr. Patel. I suggest a beach destination this time.
That sounds refreshing. Any specific location in mind?
How about the Bahamas? It's beautiful and relaxing.
Excellent choice. What about accommodations?
I'll research resorts with beachfront views.
Great. Let's book soon to secure good deals.
Agreed. I'll send you options by the end of today.
Thank you, Jennifer. Looking forward to it.
Hi, Mark, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Hey Emily. I'm thinking of going hiking on Saturday.
Hiking sounds fun. Mind if I join you?
Of course not. The more, the merrier.
Should we bring snacks and water bottles?
Definitely. It's essential for a long hike.
What about Sunday? Any plans then?
I plan to relax at home, maybe read a book.
Sounds like a perfect weekend balance.
Hi Sophie, want to plan a family picnic this weekend?
Hey Lucas. Great idea. Shall we choose a location?
How about the park near the lake?
Perfect. I'll make a list of picnic essentials.
Don't forget the blanket and sunscreen.
Right, and we can pack some games too.
Yes, like frisbee and football. Mom loves them.
I'll prepare sandwiches and fruit salads.
Sounds like a fantastic picnic plan.
Hello, James. Do you have any hobbies you enjoy?
Hi Ms. Rodriguez. Yes, I'm passionate about photography.
That's fascinating. What subjects do you like photographing?
I enjoy capturing landscapes and urban scenes.
Have you exhibited your work anywhere?
Yes, I've participated in local art shows.
Impressive. Photography is truly an art form.
Thank you, Ms. Rodriguez. It's my creative outlet.
Good morning, John. Have you considered our options for the cultural outing?
Good morning, Maria. Yes, I've compiled a list of potential venues.
Excellent. What criteria did you use to select these venues?
I prioritized locations with historical significance and diverse exhibits.
That sounds appropriate. Did you also consider accessibility and visitor feedback?
Yes, I reviewed online reviews and checked for any accessibility accommodations.
Great. Let's narrow down our choices based on these factors.
Agreed. Shall we schedule a meeting to discuss further and make a final decision?
Yes, let's aim for later this week. Thank you for your thorough research, John.
My pleasure, Maria. I look forward to our discussion.
Hi, David, have you read the latest book for our book club meeting?
Hey Sarah. Yes, I finished it last night. It sparked quite a discussion.
I agree. Let's plan our meeting agenda. Any specific topics you want to cover?
I'm interested in exploring character development and the author's writing style.
Good choices. We can also delve into thematic elements and symbolism.
Excellent. Should we prepare discussion questions to facilitate our conversation?
Yes, that would enhance our discussion. Let's draft them individually and then merge.
Sounds like a plan. Shall we aim for next weekend for our meeting?
Perfect. I'll send out a doodle poll to confirm the date with other members.
Thanks, Sarah. Looking forward to our insightful discussion.
Good evening, Alex and Michael. Shall we discuss our upcoming trip plans?
Good evening, Emma. Yes, let's finalize our itinerary and logistics.
Agreed. Have we decided on our destination and travel dates?
Yes, we settled on Barcelona for a week in June.
Fantastic choice. What about accommodations? Hotel or Airbnb?
I suggest Airbnb for a more immersive experience.
That sounds appealing. Shall I research and share options?
Please do. We should also plan our daily activities and sightseeing.
I'll create a shared document for us to collaborate on.
Thank you both. Barcelona awaits our exploration. Hi, Oliver. Did you enjoy your visit to the Modern Art Museum?
Hi, Sophie. Yes, it was captivating. The installations were thought-provoking.
I felt the same. Especially the interactive exhibits. Did you try them?
Yes, they added a dynamic dimension to the viewing experience.
Absolutely. Let's plan another museum outing soon. Any preferences?
How about the Contemporary Art Gallery downtown? It's hosting a new exhibition.
Sounds intriguing. I'll check their website for exhibition details and tickets.
Great. Let's aim for next weekend if our schedules align.
Agreed. I'll keep you posted once I confirm the availability of tickets.
Looking forward to it, Sophie. Thanks for organizing.
Hello, Rachel. Have you considered our arrangements for the music festival trip?
Hi, Daniel. Yes, I've drafted a comprehensive checklist for our preparations.
Impressive. What items did you include to ensure a smooth experience?
I included essentials like tickets, camping gear, and transportation options.
Smart. Did you also consider factors like weather forecasts and festival schedules?
Yes, I reviewed historical weather data and the festival's itinerary.
Excellent foresight. Shall we delegate tasks based on this checklist?
Agreed. I'll handle ticket purchases and accommodation bookings.
And I'll organize transportation and coordinate our group's schedule.
Thank you, Daniel. Let's ensure this trip becomes a memorable experience.
My pleasure, Rachel. Looking forward to an unforgettable weekend.